What's up, my dudes? Yeah. She is so damn pretty. I'll tell you what. Anyway, so, we got the '05 inverted forks put on there. Along with, obviously, the radial calipers and rotors. I love the gunmetal gray look. Now this is not staying on. This is actually a extra body part. You know, I moved and replaced off a buddy's bike, and it's the only thing I get to sit on there until Thursday when my actual '05 R6 front fender comes in, and it's blue, of course. But yeah, this is the fork swap done. Looks good. Tail swap done. I mean, besides little things here and there, I really don't think I got anything else I want to do to it. I like it. I do have a Hypermoto blue rear spring I'm going to put on there though. So I'm going to get rid of the red spring and put the blue one. But past that, I'm going to replace the subframe for a straight one. Get this dent fixed, and yeah, I figured out how to mount my GPR. Oy. So yeah, everything is fucking K. Got my levers and shit back on my bike. New 50mm fork everything. Let's go for a ride. I'm gonna go try to see if maybe someone a little closer. I can hear it scraping against the fucking fender. Oh well, I don't care. I'm just not used to seeing people right over my area of the neighborhood. Squirrel. I do want to get frame. I mean, I know I have the regular. Well, not regular. I know I have the engine-mounted sliders on this bike, but I also want to add on the the side frame sliders. So I have the engine mounted, which are right here, but let's see, I got it cut out already. I want to put the actual frame sliders on as well, because everybody, this is my baby. Come on, the more protection I can possibly put on it, the better. So with how everything's shaping up, might be having Blue R6 videos quite a bit more often, and I think I gotta really move that up if I can. Feels a little weird on my finger. Fuck you people. I really just don't fucking get it. Makes no sense. Come on, old dude. So effortless. I love it. Oh, you got to stop shaking, man. It's so shaky. No shaking. Actually looks like while I did the swap, I must have straightened out the steering. It is on point. Yeah, no shaking the handlebars. Jipper. I'm Jipper. I'm Jipper. My GPR sitting on there. I love the GPR. Yeah. Ooh, too much. Right down. What are you morons doing? Anyways, ADHD moment. I think she's great though. Love it. I like the forks feel really good in the corners, so like whenever I take off, it feels a little more planted. Whereas like riding normal, I mean, obviously it's gonna feel pretty much the same, but I feel the difference, like, cause like sometimes with the other forks, whenever I'm taking a lean, it kind of feels like, I don't know, like the bike's bending, where these feel like it's, you know, it's more or less just stable. It's more, yeah, that's the best way I can explain it. It feels a little more stable in the corners. You got a green light, you bitch. Come on, man. Fucking green. God damn, the corner. See, like that right there, like going in and out, it feels a hell of a lot more on point and just planted. What are you doing? Just sitting there? Asshole. But that's how I like the feeling of it. Definitely something I want to do to the other one. I mean, like, on average, it's not really that big of a deal. I mean, because like I said, it feels, I don't know, 80. What are you people doing with your life? Corolla, no, don't even try today. I can't take this no more. Feels like it reacts a little bit quicker. Why are all you fucking people turning? God damn. Alright, well, already need gas. Always need this gas shit. Alright, well, this is pretty much it for this one. I'm gonna go see if he has a few things that I want to look at and whatnot. So I'm gonna go check it out. It's so weird not having a key. Because I did the fork swap, I had to switch out the top of the triple trees. Yeah, like my fake key. But in doing so, I had to switch out the top of the triple tree, but the ignition was bolted. It's factory riveted on there, so I didn't have the time or the ability to cut it or drill it off. So I just said fuck it. I rerouted my ignition to run from a toggle switch. Yeah, right there. pretty much that's about it. I guess catch you later.